Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ubix.Network token. Ticker symbol is UBX. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Ubix.Network is a DAG blockchain hybrid designed to integrate blockchains of various types of consensus into a single peer-to-peer network. So this is on the Ethereum blockchain, this token. And this token just got listed August 30th, 13 hours UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Ubix.Network token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search UBX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is already very well established here. According to their Etherscan, they already have 14,899 holders. There is a fully diluted market cap of a little bit over $1 million and a max total supply of 94,727,541,000 tokens. So they do have a full white paper. Well, first of all, they have Twitter that you could check out. I'm going to put that up right here on the screen. Blue verified checkmark at Ubix_Network. So it says, we are Ubix, a digital universe with endless possibilities. So it says there's staking. You can stake this token. Their official webpage is linked on their Twitter here and their Telegram. You can find their Telegram at Ubix_Network. And their official webpage is Ubix.Network. Now their Telegram's doing very well. 16,195 members on the Telegram. So this project's doing well with their socials. It's doing well with their holders, doing well across the board. Now their white paper is pretty lengthy. It is 13 pages long of very tiny print if you want to check that out. Their webpage has a lot of information on there as well. You could also subscribe to a newsletter to stay up to date. On their webpage, they have ecosystem projects, information about the UBX token, blog articles, all sorts of info on here. It says, we are Ubix, a digital universe with endless possibilities on blockchain 3.0. So the world's first hybrid DAG, fully built with Node.js. It took over 4 years and a team of 17 people to build this platform, and now it's living, breathing, and growing. So it says block height, a little bit over 880,000, non-zero wallets, over 27,000, 6 blockchains, and it says 1,167 transactions in the past 24 hours. Hop in the train heading towards the future of Web3 and the IT industry. Ubix.Network is a powerful ecosystem. It includes 7 active projects and another 5 in the development stage. So it goes over a lot of the projects here. Like, for example, we have CF, which is a crowd feeding, a decentralized service for hiring personnel and making payments for gig projects. Then we have Ubstake. So this is where you could stake tokens. Ubstake is a fixed rate staking service for UBX coins. There are no lock-in periods. Withdrawals are available anytime at request. Also, Silent Notary, which is a Web3 service for creating legal evidence with 100% falsification protection. Then we have another example would be 4Tokens, 4T. It's an innovative blockchain service designed to simplify the assurance of trading on the tokens on the Ubix platform. We have Ubix Pay. Ubix Pay is a lightweight wallet for Bitcoin, Ethereum, UBX transfers, implementing the digital identity concept. CDR, so Crypto Depository Receipts, a service designed for increasing interoperability between different networks. The Ubix Exchange, so they have their own native exchange, free of charge listings, it says, so you could transfer tokens, trade tokens. Then we have Sign It Now is a Web3 service for legal contract signing. DES, Decentralized Escrow as a Service. SK, Smart Keeper, a lock controlled by smart contract. And INF, which is a project in development and Oracle system that transfers data from outside the Ubix.Network blockchain. So how we develop projects. For the development of projects, there is a Ubix Launchpad. It is integrated with the YubiKiri interface. To avoid fraud, a special funding mechanism called Fair ICO is used. So the project idea is introduced to the community. The community invests in development via buying the tokens of respective projects. Once the required funds are collected, the project is moved to the development stage, and once the project is developed, it's introduced to the world. So UBX is the native Ubix platform token with utility and security functionality. You can use UBX to generate passive income, it says. So there's use cases here. Explore the use cases that it has to offer. There's consensus algorithm, no minting. 10% of all commissions are created to the development fund. So this token is available on Uniswap as well. Same with KuCoin, Bitmart, and their own Ubix exchange. And yeah, so that's basically about it. You can find the contract address on their page, all sorts of socials. There's at least 7 different socials, frequently asked questions, full white paper, wiki, all these different things on here. You can check out all their projects. Check it out. Ubix.Network is their official webpage. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.